Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gloria, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my space on the internet. So in today's video, I have this perfume that has taken over the internet for some time now. The hype of this perfume is just too much. The perfume is not a new perfume. It was released in 2023, but the hype is actually a lot in the fragrance community. So I decided to see if it's actually what the hype, if it's what people say it is. And this video is going to be like a first impression slash unboxing of this very perfume. And what perfume am I talking about? I'm talking about Amouage Guidance. So if you want to know if this perfume is actually what's the hype, you need to keep watching. Okay, keep watching. So this is what the perfume looks like. I'm going to be unboxing this perfume right here right now. So first, I would like to say I like the packaging. I like the color. Okay, so um, there is an authentication stamp right here. Okay, genuine is written genuine, and yeah, the gift it's written the gift of kings right here. The gift of kings right here. And what else? What else? So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Is it out of this world? Of course not. But I like the fact that it's simple. The color as well, it's simple. The design as well, it's simple. So yeah, it works for me. It opens up like this, right? You have the perfume sitting in the middle like that. The color of the bottle I love. It's like a nudie peach color, and then the color of the cap as well is so cool, so calm, beautiful. I like the bottle. I like the bottle. It's simple yet it's very elegant. Okay, and it has this very will I call it gem or stone right at the top of the cap. Okay, this bottle is giving elegance. It's giving elegance. Okay, so um for the wow, the cap is magnetic. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. I love how simple and elegant the bottle is. Because I know I'll be unboxing this perfume today, I decided to come bare, which is what I usually do anyway when I'm coming to review a perfume or unbox a perfume that I know that I would probably be spraying on myself. I will come bare so that the scent, the perfume does not mix with other perfume that is already on me or on my skin. So I would always come there when I'm reviewing or unboxing perfume. So let's see what this smells like. Wow. 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 It smells nutty. It smells um fruity, like it has the note of pear. It smells not like I can pick up on almond. Wow. Oh, I like this perfume. I like this perfume. I like this perfume. I like this perfume. This perfume does not smell like anything I've smelled before. This is beautiful. Like, I don't even mind spraying it all over me. Woo! Beautiful scent. Beautiful scent. Now I see why everywhere you look, it's Amouage Guidance. Everywhere you turn, Amouage Guidance. This is a beautiful almond, a little bit of fruitiness. It has some florals there. Maybe like, let's say some white florals like jasmine. What I smell here is nuttiness, a little bit of um, milkiness, like it smells um, lactonic, if that's the word, like milk. It smells a little milky, but I pick up more on the almonds. Let's check out Fragrantica for Amouage Guidance. The notes of this perfume at the top, it has pear, hazelnuts, olibanum, while at the middle it has oxmatus, rose, saffron, jasmine, sambac, while at the base it has sandalwood, vanilla, akigala wood, ambergris, and labdanum. The nutty note I was picking on is actually not almond, is hazelnuts. Amouage Guidance is a fruity floral fragrance for women and men. It was launched in 2023. It's said to be a unisex perfume, but I say it's a feminine perfume. This is such a beautiful perfume. This is a gorgeous scent. I have not smelled anything like this. I don't have anything that smells like this. Like, this is a grown woman scent. Even though I know that it's not going to be appreciated by everyone, okay? This scent is not going to be appreciated by everyone. If you are a boss babe and you're looking for that scent that you would wear and nobody would, want to compete with what you're wearing, then you should try out Amouage Guidance. But make sure you smell it before you buy. Even though I blind bought this, I know first spray at first sniff, I could just smell the nuttiness and then the fruitiness from the pear. Okay, that is what I get at the initial spray. But as it begins to settle, I begin to get very floral, rich, amber sweetness. It wants to lean a little bit gourmandy, but I won't classify it as a gourmand scent. I will not classify this as a gourmand scent, even though it wants to, head towards that direction after a couple of minutes. I think this perfume has a little bit of everything. It has a little bit of gourmand accent in it. It has sweet vanilla there. It has florals. It has fruity notes. This is just an amazing, beautiful, grown woman scent. I held myself back not to open it because I said I wanted to do like a first impression long form video, and yeah, I held myself back from opening the perfume. I held myself back from checking out the notes because I want my first impression of this perfume to be like very raw, okay? And I am not disappointed in this perfume. I am not disappointed. There are some perfumes I will buy, I will open, and I'll be like, I'm not sure. I think I'll have to give it time. But with this one, like, I like it immediately. I smelt it. This perfume is reminding me of the first time I opened Your Pistachio Gelato by Kiali. The first time I opened that perfume, the excitement, the joy I felt when I opened that perfume and I sniffed it. That's like kind of how I am feeling right now. Okay, this perfume is just a beautiful, beautiful scent, and yes, it is what every hype. This perfume is what every hype. Okay, I love this perfume. I love, I love this perfume. Okay, so this perfume is looking like it's going to be like my obsession for the next coming months. Okay, so yeah, that is all I have for you for the first impression and unboxing of this perfume. I'll have to go and come back for a full detailed review of Amouage Guidance, and I will see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified when I post the review of this amazing perfume. Till I see you in my next one, my name is Gloria and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget, everything is better with a little bit of fragrance. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.